Chapter 5 Arithmetic Part 1. Class 10. What is the meaning of arithmetic progression? Any sequence having the common difference between the consecutive terms are same, that is called a arithmetic progression. Like you see sequence 1, 4, 7, 10. See 4 minus 1, that is 3, 7 minus 4, 3, 10 minus 7, 3, 4 minus 1, 7 minus 4. So common difference is same, so it is in P. See the second example, 12, 7, 2 minus 3, 7 minus 12, that is minus 5, 2 minus 7, that is minus 5, minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5. So it is also in P. If we see 1, 3, 6, 11, here 3 minus 1, 2, 6 minus 3, 3, 11 minus 6, 5. It is not in AP because common difference is not same. In general, we take AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. We take these terms. A is the first term and D is the common difference. D is the common difference. Now we will start exercise 5.1. See exercise 5.1 question number 2. First we will do it later on. First we will do it question 2, like fourth part of question 2. Question 2, fourth part of exercise 5.1. Given AP is, if AP is minus 1, P is 1.2, find first four term of an. So first four terms are the answer. First four terms are A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D. Taking the value minus 1 plus 1 upon 2, minus 1 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 1 3 into 1 upon 2. So minus 1 LCM minus 2 plus 1 when 2 cancel minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. So it will be minus 1 upon 2 0 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 plus 3 that is 1 upon 2. In this way we find out the first 4 term of an AP. Now see the question third. Second part minus 5 minus 1 3 7 and so on. Find the first term and common difference. Find the first term and common difference. So first term is 5 minus 5, common difference is second term minus first term. Second term is this one minus 1. First term is minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 that is equal to 4. Now see the question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and the next 3 more terms. Let us see question 4, fifth part. Given terms are 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. You see it, this is the first term, the second term, the third term and this is the fourth term. Find the second term minus first term. 3 plus root 2 minus 3 that is equal to root 2. Find A3 minus A2 that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2 that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 that is also a root 2. A4 minus A3. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. This is A3. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. 3 and 3 cancel. Root 2. Common difference you see it. This is root 2. This is root 2. This is root 2. So it is same. Common difference is same, so it is in AP. Common difference D is root 2. Next 3 terms we will take. Last term is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. That is 3 plus 4 root 2. We will add it common difference. 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, that is 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, that is 3 plus 6 root 2. This will be the answer. Now see the sixth part of question 4. Sixth part of question 4. Given that 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.2222. So heat A2 minus A1, 0.22 minus 0.2, so it will be what? 0.02. A3 minus A2, 0.22 minus 0.22, so it will be 0.002. Common difference, you see it, this one and this one is not same. So they are not same. Common difference is not same. So it is not in AP. Let us see more. Twelfth part, you see it. Root 2, root 8, root 18 and root 32. First we will convert in mixed roots. So root 2, 8 is written as 2 into 2 into 2. 18 is written as 3 into 3 into 2. 32 is written as 4 into 4 into 2. It will be root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2, 4 root 2 and so on. So this is A1, A2, A3, A4. So A2 minus A1, 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is root 2. A3 minus A2, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, so it is root 2. A4 minus A3, 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is root 2. Common difference is same, so it is in AP. So common difference D is root 2. Next, 3 terms are 4 root 2 plus root 2, that is 5 root 2. It will be written as 5 into 5 into 2, that is root 50. 5 root 2 plus root 2, that will be 6 root 2, and it will be 6 into 6 into 2, that is 72, and 6 root 2 plus root 2, 7 root 2, that is 7 into 7 into 2, that is 98. This is the answer. Next you see it, 13th part, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. So A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1, root 6 minus root 3. A3 minus A2, root 9 minus root 6. Here is root 3 common, root 2 minus 1. Here is root 3 common, root 3 minus root 2. So common difference is not same, so it is not in AP. Now see the question number first of this exercise. Like question first part, the taxi fare after each kilometer when fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Fare for first kilometer is rupees 15. Fare for 2 kilometer is 15 plus 8. Fare for 3 kilometer 15 plus 8 plus 8, 31. Fare for 4 kilometer 15 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 39. The sequence is 15, 23, 31, 39. Common difference is 8, so it is in AP. See the second part, the amount. See the second part, the amount of air present in cylinder when vacuum pump remove 1/4 of the remaining in the cylinder at a time. Let volume of gas in cylinder is V. Remove 1/4 V. 1/4 gas is removed. Remaining V minus 1/4 V, that is 3/4 V. Again remove 1/4 of 3/4 V, that is 3/16 V. So sequence is remaining 3/4 V minus 3/16 V. 16 is the LCM. 12 V minus 3 V, 9 V upon 16. So sequence is V 3/4 V and 9/16 V. So common difference is not same, so it is not in AP. So this exercise is completed, so you will do it homework. Remaining parts of question 1, 2, 3, 4 of exercise 5.1.